some of you guys saw on one of my last videos from Big Lots, it was $35. It's a 3-tier planter with drawers that have holes in it so the water can drain. I am going to do a fairy garden with some stuff from Big Lots and from the dollar store out of this planter. So stay tuned and let's see what we come up with. So I have all the dirt in. Here's a close-up of the dollar store items before I put them in. And then a close-up of the 3 tiers from Big Lots. Okay, we still have some stuff left, but this is what I came up with. I think it looks pretty good. Using my dollar store items and the Big Lot 3-tier planter. And there's our little fairy garden planter. I'm going to use the rest of the items that are left over to do another one. So here is another 3-tier planter that I had got from Aldi's a couple years ago. You can tell that it's a little beat down, but we're going to put the leftover fairy garden stuff in here. Here is the finished product. I'm going to add one candy house to the top. But here's what it looks like. Got the bumblebee and the man hanging from the bottom. I think it turned out pretty good.